So we're back.
And over in cage 3 in the blue corner Kazakhstan and in the red corner Tajikistan.
So this is the final for the flyweights men's. Tajikistan versus Kazakhstan. And the Tajiki fighter, Yumayev. Oh, defending the takedown from the Kazakh fighter. Now he's got to defend the back take as well. Looking for the Kimura there on that. It's one way to defend it. Trying hard. Yumayev. Still got that left arm fed through. Now he's trying to stop that second hook, well, that first hook now coming in. Now he's got that Kimura lock. Needs to switch that right leg of his across and back through. There we go. Fighting the legs now. Stepping out and through. That's a good move. Now he can put that leg over the head. He needs to get that leg over the head of his opponent and gets the tap. There you have your new champion, Yumayev. Tajikistan now have a flyweight champion in the form of Yumayev. And Kazakhstan's fighters should hold their head up high. My goodness, that is a talented young man as well, taking a silver medal. Let's see just what it means. Let's look at that again. Steps that leg over the head, and that adds all the torque you need. Wonderful finish there from the Tajiki fighter that claims him gold. That's right, gold. Here at the IMF 2022 Youth Championships. Let's look at it one more time. Looking to step over